Hey singers, how's it going? This video is a new segment. I saw that Duolingo has just launched a music course, and I decided to try it out. And since I liked it, like I liked some of the lessons, I'm going to do it here together with you. So for those who have never taken a music class, I realized this Duolingo course is really for people who have never studied music at all, especially people who have never studied sheet music. So it's going to be really interesting for us to do it and mainly to work on pitch and tuning. On Duolingo, it's more focused on learning musical notes, at least at the beginning, from what I've done so far, and also on connecting them to sheet music. In our case, we're also going to connect this with singing. So I want to make singing the main focus and blend everything together. And when you're doing it in the app, you can maybe put me up on your TV at home and do it along with me in the app, and then you'll also try to sing while you're doing the Duolingo exercises, okay? And now, with me, you're going to see how this works. I opened the app and selected the option. I know nothing about music, so we can start from scratch, and I can explain some interesting details to you. All right, let's go. So session 1, learn the notes and play your first songs. We're not just going to play, we're going to sing too. We're going to feel how this applies to the voice, to singing, and even to sheet music, how we're going to connect the sheet music to the voice. So it starts by asking you to play the note C. And we're going to play it. You play C on the keyboard, but if you can, besides playing it, sing it. So for example, you played C on the keyboard there. I'll play it here on my keyboard, and we sing.
E a gente canta Dó.
Because you're going to see where C is on these 3 little piano keys here, and you're going to sing it too. That way, you'll already start associating the sound with a visual that you're just getting to know now. After C, it plays the next note, which is D.
Ré. E você
And you sing it too.
Ré.
Then it asks you to drag the notes, right? C and D.
Ré. Dó. Ré.
So you notice that D is higher in pitch compared to C, okay? Start paying attention if you have trouble with tuning. Which note is higher or lower in relation to another? Now it's asking us to play here. C, C, D, D, and we're going to play and sing, all right?
Dó, dó, ré, ré.
Already shows where this C is on the staff.
Interessante que
You see that little note with a line through it down below the staff? That's C, the same C we've been singing up to now, got it? I'll sing it again.
Dó, 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 dó.
It's already switched to D.
Ré, 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 ré.
So now we're going to sing D, and now it's started to mix. The 2 notes on the staff. You see that D sits a little higher than C. So C is that note with the little line below the staff, and D sits right on the staff. And the staff is the set of 5 lines where we write music.
Dó, dó, ré, ré.
So many difficulties, right? Let's keep going. Now it's going to ask us to play this sequence. Can you see it? You can see there that after C there are 3 little scribbles. Those 3 little scribbles are 3 1-beat rests. So that symbol that looks like a lightning bolt is a rest. A rest means you don't sing, you don't play, you don't do anything, you stay silent. That's why it's a musical rest, which originally was this symbol here that I have tattooed on my arm.
Pausa, pausa, pausa. Dó, dó, ré, ré, dó, ré, dó, dó.
It may seem simple, it may seem easy, but when you're just starting to work on pitch, it's not that simple. So be careful with the note, so you don't end up singing a D in a C spot and so on. You saw that it's simple. There's nothing very complicated about understanding where C is on the staff, where D is on the staff, and also being able to sing the differences between the notes. So just to remind you and review, C, D. D is higher in pitch compared to C. C, D, C. So always stay aware of these things. This lesson is pretty straightforward. There were only 2 notes, C and D, and 1 rest. That's the information for now as well. So I believe that in the next lessons, the new elements will start to increase, the musical figures, the notes, and then it will build up for you. Write in the comments if you liked this type of video. All right, see you in the next one.
Tchau, tchau.